Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Vivo Y12 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset on your phone Vivo Y12. First of all, switch off your phone. Just long press the power button which is available on the right side of your phone. Just long press this button and click on power off. Wait few seconds, your phone will be switched off. Now you have to use power button and volume up button together. These two buttons are available on the right side of your phone. Just press these two buttons simultaneously. Press and hold these two buttons for about 3 to 8 seconds. And here you have to select recovery mode. Confirm it with power button. Press power button. Wait few seconds or reset menu will appear. Just you have to wait. Yes, here you have to select clear data option and click on clear all data third option. Click OK. Now it will ask your pattern. Just give the pattern and yes, clear data is in progress. Just you have to wait. Yes, it's done. Click on return and go back. Click back button and here select restart. Click OK. Yes, your phone will be restarted and reformatted. Just you have to wait. Yes, it's completed. Now you have to set up your phone. Click on set up your phone and here select region. Just here select language and click next, then region, click next and click on agree. Skip wherever possible, you can set them later. Click accept. Click next. Click skip. Click next, click skip, click skip, click on use now. Yes, your phone setup is complete and will be loading now. Just wait few seconds. Now you can set your pattern lock password or fingerprint or face unlock etc. on your phone. You can customize your phone hereafter. And yes, now your phone is ready to use. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.